Everybody, today we're going to make you an apple pie old fashioned that's going to be great to enjoy this fall season. And shut up, Bob, because I forget what I was going to say. Today we're making you a nice fall cocktail that will be great to enjoy around this holiday season. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a nice glass here. We're going to rim with an orange slice. Just going to go around here a little bit. And then we're going to rim it with this Buttery Cinnamon Roll by Flavor God. This stuff is excellent. Just going to give it a good twist in here. Pick up some of that good seasoning. And now we're going to start putting together our drink. So get yourself a cocktail shaker. We're going to add 4 ounces of apple cider. This happens to be a Honeycrisp apple blend. Choose your own. I'm going to pour this into the shaker. And then we're going with some Crown Royal apple, 2 ounces. Add more if you desire. The way I'm shaking, I might need four of these. And now we're going with a ½ ounce of Woodford Reserve old-fashioned cocktail syrup. We got a ½ ounce of that going into the mix, and we got a ½ ounce of Cointreau that we're also going to add to our shaker. I'm going to put the lid on this guy and give it a little shake. We're going to add a few ice cubes to our glass here. Strain this in. We're going to garnish it with a couple Granny Smith apples, sliced thin. We're going to go in with a couple, these are Honeycrisp. Throw a slice of that orange in, and then finish it with a cinnamon stick. And that right there is our apple pie old fashioned. Okay, so we're going to give this cocktail a try. Well, Bill's going to give this cocktail a try and see how we did.
Lucky me.
What do you think?
Oh, it's delicious.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good deal. Good deal. We thought
It's
it
like
was
apple pie.
just like apple pie. That's why it's an apple pie old fashioned.
There you go.
I put both feet in that one for you.
I appreciate it.
Hey, give this recipe a try. It's going to go great with the holidays coming up. I'm sure it's going to be good to wash down some of that turkey and ham. Make sure you hit like and subscribe on our YouTube videos. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Get you some of that. Chug a lug.